各位朋友，大家好，我是阿翔。你今天过得好吗？最近的季节已经进入秋季，气温也越来越下降，请大家注意温差变化，保暖，不要感冒了哦。
Hello， 各位朋友，大家好，我是阿翔。今天你过得好吗？最近进入秋天，气温变化越来越大，要提醒大家多多注意保暖，小心不要感冒了哟。苹果的 iPhone 15 Pro 与 iPhone 15 Pro Max 自推出后掀起一波销售热潮，不过也发生不少品质上的遗漏，像是部分色款易四钛金属、边框发生成色不均匀或营收只有无造成变色的情况下，以及部分 iPhone 15 Pro 系列装置的显示器与边框发生不对齐的情况。而近期也又爆了这支出 iPhone 15 Pro Max 发生另一个让人不安的问题，萤幕在短时间内出现落音。According to a report by foreign media Phone Arena U.S. investment bank Piper Sandler surveyed more than 9,100 teenagers with an average age of 15, 7 in the United States, and found that as many as 87% of American teenagers own an iPhone, and 88% of teenagers said they would still use it in the future. Go ahead and buy an iPhone. The data released by this survey in April this year also showed that this group of teenagers are extremely loyal to Apple, and the rates of owning iPhones are exactly the same.